Hey my dear friends, once again welcome back to the channel. I am Gaurav here and that's the 12th video of this series. So in today's video we're gonna enhance our enemy AI. So let's get started. But first, as I always say, if you are new in this channel then please check out our previous videos first, and also subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon. It's completely free. So here it's our project, and here when I play this game you see that currently our enemy just starts approaching to our player. That's good. It's what we want, right? Well, not really. Actually, I want our enemy to chase our player if our player in his range. Like our enemy won't start chasing to our player until our player isn't within enemy's range. But as soon as our player reaches in the enemy's circle of range, then our enemy will start chasing to our player, and when our player gets out of enemy's range, then the enemy will stop chasing our player. Simple. So let's open the enemy AI script, and here is our enemy AI logic, getting player's position and start chasing. Very simple script, isn't it? But what I'm trying to do now is that whenever our player will reaches in the enemy's range, and then the enemy will start chasing to the player, right? So how we will do that? Let's see. First we need two float type variables. First one is for enemy's range and the next one is for distance, like distance between player and enemy. So let's create these variables: serialize field, float, enemy range, and I'll initialize that with 20f. For now I guess 20 is fine, but we will see it later. Let's make another one: private float, distance between target. Well, the idea is that we need to know where is our player at that time, so that we will compare that how much is the distance in between player and the enemy, like is our player under enemy range or not. So let's create that logic. First, in the update we need to calculate the distance between player and enemy, so that our enemy will know how far is the player from him, right? Let's calculate distance. Distance between target equal to, and it's gonna be vector3 dot distance, and here you see when I hover the mouse over the distance, you see that it takes two vectors, vector A and vector B. So the first vector is for our player's position, and the next one we are looking for the position of the game object to which that script is attached. In this case it's our enemy. So first one gonna be target.position, and then our enemy's position, it's transform.position. So here we calculate the distance in between player and enemy, and now we will create a simple logic here to say when our enemy start chasing the player and when to stop. So now here we will use simple if statement. If distance between target less than equal to enemy range, means if player's distance is less than or equal to the enemy's range, then our enemy will start chasing, otherwise not. And here we will put that line in the if statement. And now head back to the editor and hit the play button. Now you see that our enemy isn't chasing us, but look, when I go close enough in the enemy's range, then he will start chasing to our player. And look at that, our enemy start chasing us. But now when I'll run away from the enemy's range, and now you see our enemy isn't chasing us. And now it's time to end this video, and in the next video we will create a weapon for our player so that it can shoot some projectiles. So till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll meet you in the further upcoming videos. For now, see ya later.